Everyone thinks MrBeast is a one-man show, but that is exactly what he wants you to believe. The terrifying reality is that Jimmy Donaldson is just the face of a massive, hyper-aggressive corporate machine. Behind the camera stands a secret, invisible army of elite engineers, Hollywood producers, and data scientists who have turned YouTube into a literal assembly line. And if you try to build a channel without understanding how this shadow army operates, you are bringing a knife to a nuclear gunfight. Most creators fail because they try to do everything themselves. They script, they edit, and they manage. But Jimmy operates like the CEO of a Fortune 500 company. He has built a highly specialized network divided into distinct cutthroat departments. He doesn't just hire standard video editors. He employs elite retention experts whose sole job is to cut out every single frame where a viewer might blink or look away. He has a dedicated research and development team that tests the physics of his challenges before filming even begins, ensuring that every explosion, car crash, or massive stunt looks perfectly cinematic on your screen. But the most cutthroat part of his empire is his thumbnail unit. This isn't a guy on Photoshop. It is a full-scale department that shoots up to 100 different photos for every single video. They use advanced software to track exactly where human eyes look first on an image, altering the lighting and color saturation based on real-time global psychological data. Jimmy has literally turned video production into a scientific formula, removing all human error from the creative process. You aren't just competing against a funny guy who gives away money. You are competing against an unshakable corporate military that has spent years perfect engineering human attention. You can spend all your money on big prizes and massive sets, but until you build your own invisible army, you will always be a pawn in his game. So, do you still think you can beat the algorithm alone? The brutal truth is, nobody can stop MrBeast, because everyone thinks MrBeast is a one-man show.